friends. I hope you guys are doing great today. This is what we're going to be making today. And this is from the new Share What You Love bundle. Let's get started on today's project. So again, we're making this card today. And I think this is going to be the inside of it. And I think I will first start with Whisper White panel. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and adhere this strip. This is, right now I'm working on the inside panel of the card. I'm gonna just lay this down. And then laying this first just helps me know where I want to stamp. So I'm going to take my thank you sentiment and rich raspberry ink. And I'm just gonna ink my stamp up. Okay. And then I have a floral image here that I'm also going to take there. All right, so that's my inside panel of the card. I'm also going to take a scrap piece of Very Vanilla and I'm going to ink up the sentiment for the outside of my card. And this one says, I'm lucky to have a friend like you. There's a little leaf section here and I'm going to of this just to give it a little more color. And for the next step, I have my stitched framelit to cut this one out, and then I'm going to cut a scrap piece of rich raspberry for the scalloped for the outside of the card. So to do that, I need to get the Big Shot out. So I've got my magnetic platform. I've got my top clear plate. I'm going to put this on and place that framelit where I want it to cut. Then I'm also going to lay down my scrap piece of rich raspberry and get that to cut. I'm going to lay my top plate down and then crank it through the Big Shot. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to the back of this scalloped panel. Next, I'm going to go ahead and lay down my Designer Series paper. So I'm going to go ahead and center this on the bottom. I'm leaving a 1/4 of an inch. I'm just eyeballing it, but I'm leaving approximately a 1/4 of an inch all the way around. And then I'm going to put adhesive on the back of this piece and place it just right up against this other piece that I just cut. Next, I have a piece of rich raspberry ribbon. It is really velvety, really soft. This is another product that you can get with some of the bundles. And to adhere this one, I'm going to take some mini glue dots and I'm going to just put a glue dot on the end of each each end of the ribbon. And then I'm going to carefully place my ribbon and just wrap it around the back of the cardstock. The next thing I want to do is put some dimensionals on the back of this panel. And the reason why I'm using dimensionals, this ribbon is, it's not like super thick, but it is thicker than some of our ribbons. And so I was afraid for just using like snail that it might not adhere very well. So here's our card base in the old olive. I'm going to peel the backing of my dimensionals off. Then we'll just adhere this panel in the center. I'm going to put 2 dimensionals on this one. And I'm going to position, making sure that the ribbon is in the center. Peel the backing of this off. Place that, I think, right about there. I want it off-centered a little bit. And then lastly, I'm going to put some snail on the back of this panel and adhere this to the center of this card base. So there you go. Quick, very cute, and versatile. So this is the other one we made. On this one, I did not put the leaves, so you have to let me know which one you like better. Do you like having the leaves there or the plain look? I hope you enjoyed today's project. If you did, please give me a thumbs up for the like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I post videos typically 2 days a week, and if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, I hope you have an incredible day.